Here I am in front of our climbing wall, and I have the magnets that go with it. So of course you can climb, that's always fun. This is magnetic, and so we have all of these, well, I mean any magnet can go on it, but the ones that we got are uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and then it's labeled word sorters. I probably should have prepared a little bit more, but so like we've got one there, and then ale, right, we've got here. And so you can see that the vowels are red and the consonants are blue. So that can be something that we teach. This is a vowel, this is a consonant. We've got our uppercase, so maybe for some of the kids we're labeling, this is a Q. This is an M. And a note about letter sounds, make sure that you're not going M, because that's not what this sound is. That would be like M-U-H. This is not M. Does that make sense? I love that I ask a question when I can't get a response. So so we want to be sure that when we're modeling sounds, that we are modeling the actual, just the sound. Let me find another one. So like this is an F, not F, right? It's F. F goes F. Okay, so we can be labeling the letters, labeling the sounds, and that would be teaching. We could also test what letter is this, what sound does this make. We can make some words. So I have the ale here, right? And again, it's magnets, but I'll move it closer. So ale, male, rhymes with fail, right? So we're showing rhyming is super important. Sometimes the kids like to take the letters down. So you can put them up here and build them up here, or you could put like this. So like as they get to each level, oh, I can collect this. Oh, I stepped here. I get this. Oh, I got this. So they can be gaining access to the magnets as they climb up. Or if climbing is hard, right, maybe they just walk down the length of the wall and pick them up as they walk, kind of like in a Mario game, right, how you're collecting the coins. You could also do some matching because we've got upper and lower case. So again, I could have done a little bit more prep here, but you could find, oh, universal line. So here's a G, 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 not G, G. And then here's the lowercase g. These go together. This is uppercase or capital G, right? Even that teaching that uppercase and capital mean the same thing. So here's our capital G and our lowercase g. These match. So we're looking at sort of arbitrary, right? You don't come out of the womb knowing that these match. It's something you learn. We can teach them to spell their own names. That can be helpful. The sounds, the rhyming, labeling, consonants, vowels, sentences, right? It really depends on what sort of level the learner is. It also has some fine motor stuff, practicing pulling these off and putting them up, right? Or maybe they just walk down, maybe you put some different letters up, capitals and uppercase and lowercase, and as they walk down, they touch all the capitals, right? Just walking and touching. Or you put a bunch of letters up and they touch the ones that are on their name. So my name's Becca, so I would touch the B, the E, the C, and the A. But I would not touch any other letter, right? So it's remembering what I'm doing. Self as listener, I'm reminding myself what I'm doing. Then also holding in my mind the letters in my name. And then touching some and not touching others. Of course, we can use the wall to climb. You could give specifics. So climb only using the red handles, or whatever these are called. Or if they're not yet at letters and we're doing just colors, maybe they walk down and touch all the yellow climbers, right? Now touch all the red. So there's so many different ways to work on this. This one is longer than this one. This one is yellow, or this one's red, and this one's yellow. They're different colors. This one's red, and this one's red. They're the same color. So there's so many, this one is smaller than this one. There's so many different ways that we can use this wall to intentionally teach. We can count the number of red and count the number of green and which one has more. So again, I hope that this is helpful.